Hi everybody, it's Julia, your trusted travel expert, helping you find that je ne sais quoi wherever you are in the world. And I've talked before about Sonoma and visiting Sonoma County in California for wine country, but I am currently in Napa County, which is sort of the granddaddy of them all, and really the heart and soul of wine industry here in California. Historically, the top place for wine since about the late 70s or so. And there is so much to see and do here. It's amazing. I'm at a brand new property called Los Alcobas that's right in sort of the center of the valley in Rutherford. And so that's something to know about Napa, is it strings all the way from Napa City, which is at the bottom of the valley, right just north of Carneros wine region, just north of the top of San Francisco Bay, and it streams all the way up through lots of different cities up to Calistoga, which is up valley. And so where you want to base yourself really depends on if you want to only see Napa Valley wines and wineries, which I will let you know are a little bit more corporate, often a little bit more expensive to visit with tasting fees and that kind of thing, more so than, sorry, we're about to board the bus, so I think we might be in the way of that. But sometimes Napa can be a little bit more expensive than Sonoma or some of the neighboring valleys, which are just over the ridge that way from where I'm facing you. But Napa is really the heart and soul because it has two mountain ranges. This is the back mountain range, and then there's a mountain range in front of me, and it's basically valley all the way down with vines all the way down the valley. And you've got Yountville, which is sort of the culinary capital, which is where Thomas Keller has all of his restaurants like French Laundry, Bouchon, stuff like that. Yountville has a number of really lovely hotels right there, so you can walk to these fabulous places for dinner. And it's in the mid sort of lower part of the valley. It's a really lovely place. You also have like where I am, St. Helena, Rutherford, and then you have Calistoga, and Calistoga also has a number of amazing properties. Calistoga Ranch Resort is one of my favorite properties I've ever been to. It is spectacular. And the good thing about being up at the top of Calistoga, or top of Napa Valley in Calistoga, is that you can come visit all the Napa Valley wineries. You can also go over the ridge and get into Sonoma and some of the valleys over there in Sonoma County, so you get a large variety. But Napa is amazing. It has amazing variety in wine. It has beautiful culinary experiences. You can take hot air balloon rides. You can go to the beach, which is only about an hour that way, and it's just a wonderful place to visit. Time is running out. I've got to get on the bus, so I'll let you go with that little teaser. And that's it for this week, and I'll talk to you next week.